this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a little turtle plushie, and here it is. You can make this little turtle plushie any color you want. This one is green with a little brown shell and a little yellow tummy. And I also have a little blue one, orange one, and a pink one. I had put a little bit of ribbon on mine so I can make the turtle into a keychain, but you most certainly don't need to do that if you don't want to. And another really cute idea that you can do is hot glue a magnet onto the turtle's tummy and make it into a magnet that you can put up on your refrigerator, or if you're still in school, maybe you could put it in your locker, anything like that. I decorated these turtles using beads and putting them around the rim of the shell, and I also put a little flowery thing in the middle. This is how I decorated them, but you could decorate them however you want. I'll be, of course, showing you how I did it this way, but if you want to change it up or do something a little different, you definitely can. Someone had actually messaged me on Instagram this week requesting that I make a turtle plushie, and it was just really funny because I had already made this template. I was planning on filming this video this week, and they were asking me just a few days ago, can you please make a turtle plushie? It was just really funny. I was just like, whoa, someone's like reading into my mind or something. It's really hard holding all of these up at the same time. Hopefully I'm getting a good shot of them. If you want to learn how to make one of these turtles, stay tuned. Before I start this tutorial, I just wanted to let you guys know the material I used to make these turtles was felt. As always, the template for this plushie can be found in the description box below. You can make the turtle any color that you want, but for this video I'll be making an orange turtle, which will look like this little guy right here. So I have these two light orange body pieces, these orange pieces for the shell, this orange piece for the tummy, and these two small pink circles. Take one of the pieces for the shell and then sew beads around the rim. I'm going to be using a bunch of different shades of orange because I just think it adds variety and makes it just more colorful and pretty. So I'm going to be using this pack of beads, which has a bunch of different shades of orange that just go together so well in my opinion. It's just so pretty. So I'll be using this on the shell. Take the shell piece with the beads on it and the shell piece without the beads and place them on top of each other like this. And then you're going to use the back stitch and sew around the inner part of the shell, following around the rim of the beads. To do the back stitch, you're going to make a stitch and then you're going to go backwards, hence why it's called the back stitch. And then you'll go forward, back again, forward again, back again, and so on. And you'll just continue doing that all the way around. Now that you've used the back stitch to sew together the inner part of the shell, you're going to use the blanket stitch to sew together the outer part of the shell. To do the blanket stitch, all you're going to do is make a stitch, pull, go through the loop, and then pull all the way. So to show you that one more time, you're just going to make a stitch, pull, go through the loop, and then pull. This is what the shell will look like up to this point. And what you're going to do now is take scissors and you're going to separate these two felt pieces. And you're going to take some scissors and make a cut right through here, just like that. And then you're going to fill the inner part of the shell with stuffing. After filling the shell with stuffing, you're just going to do some stitches to close this hole up. So I'm just simply doing some stitches back and forth to close up the hole. It doesn't matter how messy these stitches are because you're not going to see them when the turtle is done. Now I'm going to take one of these cute little flower decorations and I'm going to be attaching it onto the center of the shell. And to do that, you're going to take your needle and go through the shell so it comes up on the center. Pull, go through the flower, pull, and then go back through the center, and then pull all the way. After you finish the turtle shell, you can put this over to the side, and next you're going to take one of the turtle body pieces and use a marker to make two little dots where the eyes are going to go. Next you're going to take scissors and make two little small cuts where the dots are. So you're going to fold this piece just like this, take a pair of scissors, and you're going to make one small cut right here and one small cut right here. Take a plastic eye and then put it through one of the holes, and then take a plastic backing and use it to attach the eye onto the turtle piece. And then do the same thing for the other eye. Once you attach the eyes onto one of the pieces, you're going to take both body pieces and put them on top of each other and use the blanket stitch to sew them together, which is the exact same stitch that was used to sew the outer part of the shell together. First put ribbon in between the plush, and then make your stitch right through the ribbon, pull, and then go back through the ribbon on the other side, pull, go through the loop, and then pull all the way. Before sewing these pieces shut, remember to leave a small opening to fill it up with some stuffing. When filling the turtle with stuffing, only fill the head, legs, and tail with stuffing. Leave this middle part empty. It will make it easier to attach the shell later. Now you're going to attach the shell onto the turtle, so you're just going to place them on top of each other like this, and then do some stitches on the back. And to do the stitch, you're just going to make a stitch right through the turtle, and make sure you also go through the shell, and then you're going to come back up, and then you'll pull your needle to make your stitch. And you'll just do a few stitches like that in this area, and don't worry how messy these look because ultimately they will be covered up and you won't see them. Next you're going to take the smaller oval piece and then place it right on the turtle's tummy, and you're going to use the ladder stitch to attach the two pieces together. To do the ladder stitch, you're just going to do a stitch through the tummy like this, and then you'll do a stitch through the turtle like that, and then back on the tummy piece, and then you'll continue doing that all the way around. Before sewing all the way around, leave a small opening to fill the tummy up with some stuffing. Take embroidery thread and then cut a small piece and glue it onto the turtle as a little smile, just like these shown right here. And then you'll glue on the little pink cheeks, and just to let you guys know, I used tacky glue to glue on the smile and also the pink cheeks. Last but not least, if you would like to make this little turtle into a keychain, you could take a little key ring and attach it to the ribbon on the turtle. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Every little bit of support really helps since my channel is so small. And if you plan on making one of these little turtle plushies, let me know which color you plan on making. And as always, if you have any future video suggestions, please leave them down in the comments. I absolutely love hearing from you guys. And I guess that's it for this video, so I'll see you in the next one, and goodbye.